Hey folks, talking about things you can do in 2020 to grow your business, and I'm telling you, if there's one thing that I could just convey to a business owner that is the absolute critical, most important thing that will help them win and grow their business in a super meaningful way, in a bigger way than anybody else or any other activity. It's not spending time on LinkedIn. It's not spending time on Facebook. It's not spending time on Instagram. It's not going on a TikTok. It's not creating that kind of content. It is one thing and one thing only, and that is getting a diligent process around something. Okay, and diligent process means that you're going to commit to it for your team. You're going to swing the bat. You are going to get it done. Not, I'm going to try. What I'm going to tell you to do here, this is not, you have to plant the seed early in the process. You have to actually follow through. Doggone it, this is the most critical thing over the next 10 years. This is going to change the landscape of everything that we do as the baby boomers retire and they filter out. Reviews, and specifically Google reviews, are going to be the most important thing. You may have just heard that and you're like, okay, got it, I'm going to go. No. You have to know that in the next 10 years, the companies that pursue Google reviews will dominate. Those that don't are going to languish in a way that you cannot even imagine. 2 reasons. 1, baby boomers are going to retire. Baby boomers still work on a more traditional word of mouth. They're a little more, they want word of mouth. They do like reviews. I'm not saying baby boomers don't think this way, but baby boomers will often engage with a company that doesn't have many reviews as long as they have a good reputation within their community of people that they've talked to. I'm the first of the millennials. I'm 37 years old. I graduated high school in 2000. I'm one of the first, and everybody a little bit older than me and everybody younger than me uses reviews. And I think reviews are basically a testimonial captured for eternity. And I'm telling you, if you don't go after reviews, you're going to fail. Here's how you get reviews. And in every process that you do, you need to mention, yeah, you know what? One of our main things is that we just want to do such a good job that people are going to give us a good review on Google. And hopefully we do that for you. Plant the seed early, right? But here's the deal. When you are in an interaction, whether you're remodeling a home, whether you're doing the accounting for somebody, whether you're working on their digital marketing, you're going to the trust well, okay? Any activity within a sale either add to the trust well or subtract from the trust well. And I get it that if you haven't made great deposits of exceeding expectations, of building relationship, of equipping them to be better at what they're doing, there's all sorts of things that fill the trust bank or fill the trust well up. And then every time that you have to have somebody pay for something, you ask them to do something, you make a mistake, you go to that trust well, and it's draining. It's constantly going down. In fact, I'd say that just gravity in general, if just time doing nothing causes that trust bank to go down. And that doesn't mean you don't have the favor of somebody. It just means that getting them to do something becomes harder and harder because that well is not filled. So fill that well. Make good connections. Do the small things. Shake hands. Say hi. Remember them. Shoot them emails. Shoot them texts. Give them calls just to appreciate them and fill that up. And then I'm telling you, when you're pretty certain that they are going to review you, give them a call. Hey, what's up? Rob from Feedbackwrench. You having a good weekend? Are you having a good week? Yeah? Hey, I'm calling like 10 of you guys right now. I just realized, I was wondering if you would give us a Google review. I just need people to know I'm not crazy. I need to let them know that we do a good job if this is helpful, so that people know that we're not a shady business, right? Because that's essentially what it is. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Cool, I'm going to text you the link. Then what you need to do is you need to actually search your business name, find your Google My Business profile on your phone, hit the share button, and text it to them. I would also later that night after 7 p.m., if they haven't done it yet, maybe text them and go, hey, just making sure that the link worked. It's a basic follow-up. They'll nod their head. And after that, maybe you send them an email at the same time so that it's there in their inbox the next morning so that they can kind of remember. But I'm telling you, Google reviews are they're going to help your business forever. The main thing that it does is it positions you against your competitors. If people are searching the terms that, when people search the terms that are relevant to your business, or if they look at your competitors' Google My Business, it's going to say people also search for this business. You're going to be sitting there in the hopper of the search results from other businesses. And take advantage of that. Get your reviews. Then from there, I'd say that the second thing you can do is to run a Google ad that shows that. Good luck in everything that you do, folks. I'd love to hear your stories of what businesses that you're starting. Shoot me an email, give me a call. And if you need website help, if you need Google ad help, if you want to reframe your core product offering, your messaging, whatever that is, that's what we do. I'd love to connect with you. Good luck in everything.